Welcome to Zainab's Life Skills. Today we're gonna talk about microwave oven. We use the microwave oven as an easy and convenient way to cook and reheat food. The microwave is common in many homes and is a safe appliance if used with care. Many foods are safe to microwave, but some materials are not. It is important to avoid some materials because they can cause damage to your microwave or melt in food or make us sick. Materials to avoid include metals like aluminum foil, forks or spoons, and fine dinnerware. Number 2, fresh spicy peppers. They can create a gas like pepper spray. Number 3, plastics or styrofoam or to-go containers. Some are microwave safe, but many can melt. Some contain metals. Always check the bottom of the container. How to use the microwave. Microwave can sometimes heat food unevenly, where some parts can become hot and some are still cold. To avoid uneven heating, pause the microwave for a few seconds after every minute to allow the heat to disperse through the food and stir or rotate the food if possible. Most food will typically take about 2 to 5 minutes to reheat. Be careful removing your food. Your plate or bowl is hot. Now let's talk about microwave cleaning. Since food can splatter, microwave usually need to be cleaned frequently. You can clean your microwave easily after using it by wiping it down with damp cloth or paper towel. Inside the microwave, it can be harder to clean. You should not use chemical cleaners inside your microwave because they are not safe to be used around food.